Today we are going to be making mocktails based on the Sanderson sisters. Now you guys know that these witches are very near and dear to my heart. They're my favorite witches. I mean, duh. So guys, I have all of my ingredients right here. We're going to be doing Winnie, Mary, and Sarah. I don't know which order yet, but I definitely know Winnie's first because she's my favorite, even though, but I mean, I love all of them, okay? But we'll go with Winnie first. But guys, I cannot wait. These are very simple and easy to make. I mean, you could make them with things that you have in your house. I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought these juices right here. And obviously it didn't cost that much. And then I just used some things that I had in my kitchen already, like grenadine and gummy worms, sprinkles, and these little edible glitter thingies right here. If you can see that. So that's exciting. I'm so excited about that. And then I have all of my juices here in my glasses. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, now for Winnie, I bought this punch and I was like, this screams Winifred Sanderson. Now I know you're not gonna see me in it because I have no way of like doing this with you guys seeing me, or I'll have my back facing you and that's not good. So, and I also wanted you guys to see what I was doing. So I was like, let's move closer. I just want to let you guys know, I know people are like, where's the ice? I will be adding that at the end because I don't want it to get watery. I want to do a taste test at the end. So we'll do it at the end, like I said. And then some Sprite. I love me a good refresher or any kind of like drink with like Sprite in it. Oh, I love that. So we're going to add some of this in there. Oh, it's like a potion. I'm loving this. And I'm going to add some of this silver dust, if we can get that open. There we go. Just a sprinkle of this. I have some scissors here. There we go. Oh, this is so magical. I'm loving this. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so cool, guys. And then, before this video, I washed these props with hot water and soap. So they are sanitized for this video. And then I got this plastic eyeball and I'm just putting it on this toothpick, if it will go on there. And then we're kind of just gonna put it in here. That is so cute. Let me show you guys, hold on. Like I said, ice will be added in the end. But look at this. Look at how cute that looks. It's like a little potion. So we're gonna set this one aside. And like I said, ice will be added at the end. All right, now for Mary's, I got this cran grape ocean spray. So we're gonna add that in our glass. But before we do that, I want to go around the rim with some sprinkles. So I'm going to take some, let's see, let's do orange sprinkles and put it in my plate. Okay, I think you guys could see that well. And then I'm gonna take some honey and put it in my other plate. Oh, whoa, there we go, it's coming out a lot. All right, so we're gonna do that. And then we're going to take our glass and then we're going to just do this. I've never done this before, so bear with me, okay? That's pretty cool. I think that looks pretty funky. Put some more honey on that end. All right. This is cool. Look at that. How cool is that? And then we're gonna roll it around in our sprinkles. Ooh, I like this. This is cool. Guys, do you usually do this or like I said, it's my first time. That's pretty cool. I mean, look at that. So cool, I'm loving this. Okay, let's step up Sesame Sprinkle Sam and add your cranberry. Alright, so cranberry. Ooh. So we're gonna put that much inside. And put that aside. And then you could use any orange juice you like. This is my favorite, so I'm going with this. So, by the way, guys, I don't really put measurements. I kind of eyeball it. This is how I make my mocktails. I know sometimes I get upset when I'm looking for a recipe and there are no measurements because I'm like, well, what am I supposed to do? Well, I just want to eyeball this. I think it's just preference, honestly. So, because like when you go order this at like Dunkin' or Starbucks, you know, you say what you want inside. So same thing when you're doing it at home. Then we're going to add some ginger ale. There we go. I think that could be a little more. There we are. We'll do that. And then, like I specified at the beginning, these were all washed with hot water and soap. Because germs, guys, germs. Oh, this is so cool. I can't. I mean, would it be bad if I put one inside the drink, guys? Because it's mirroring, you know? Who cares? Hey, he's swimming. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. Love it. I will do an up-close view of this at the end of the video, and I will taste test each one, and I will let you know my favorite one. And now, tis time for Sarah. Okay, for Sarah's drink, I got these little Hugs juices at the Dollar Tree. It was only $1.25 for this pack of 6, which is not bad. So I'm gonna just use one of them. I wish I could show myself doing this, but like I said, like, I have no way of doing that. I have this like little space right here, so it's like, well, work with what we got, okay? Let's see. This is gonna give a hard time, so let's just stab it with some scissors. There we go. Now, we're gonna pour some of that in there. Ooh, this screams Sarah. There we go. And then we're gonna do some Sprite. Use that Sprite. Oh, hers looks more full than anyone. Go. Let's see this grenadine. Here we go. I didn't want to open. This feels like those early 2000s, like 90s, like, it's not cooking, but recipe videos. And that was, I loved those days, man. And then we're gonna add some worms. I'm gonna give this just a little stir because of the syrup. And then we put some worms. I'm gonna sneak a worm first. Some worms. Let's see. I was gonna coat the edge of this, but I was like, nah. Let's make them all unique because each witch is unique. I think that looks pretty spectacular. You can do whatever you want to these drinks if you're having a Halloween party or something like that. That is cool. That came out really weird because I was chewing on a worm, so I'm so sorry, guys. But look at how pretty these drinks look, and that was so simple. All right, now for the moment of truth. Let's try these drinks. Okay, so I have my ice in this little bowl right here. So we're gonna try Winnie's first. All right, there we go. I usually put a lot of ice in my drinks, but I do want my family to try this, so I don't want it to get watered down by the time they get back. This is really good. It's like a bubbly green apple drink. Perfect for Halloween, and it has my complimentary eyeball in it. Okay, yeah, I love this one. I will rate them at the end. Now, let's try Sarah's. I've had some trouble because the worms kept falling in, so I had to just take a toothpick and put them there. Obviously, if you're doing a party and you're doing this differently, you don't have to do it this way. You could do it another way, or you could even put like the little sprinkles on the side. Like I said, go crazy, but tag me in photos if you guys try any of these. Ten out of 10. Oh my goodness. I love Shirley Temples and like punches. And when you add the strawberry grenadine in here with the fruit punch and Sprite, this is delicious. The worms fell in again. They keep doing that. Come on. I know my family's not gonna like that. They're gonna be like, no, not candy in my drink. And now, Mary's. She needs more ice in there. Okay, Mary's got more ice in there. All right. I mean, there is cran grape in here. It tastes like that cranberry refresher or something that Starbucks has every year with the, was it grapefruit or something? I do like those drinks, and this tastes just like that. So I'd say the green apple one. So here's my ratings. Okay, bear with me. Winnie, I'd say that one is a 7 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for Sarah's drink. And a 8 out of 10 for Mary's drink. I don't know why I'm saying 8 out of 10 because I do like those cranberry drinks that they come out with. I am trying a lot of different things lately, and they're things that are not in my palate, and I've been loving them. I mean, go big or go home, right guys? But yeah, Mary's, do I want to say 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10? I'll go with 9 out of 10, I'm sorry. I love how it tastes. It tastes really good. And the honey on the rim with the sprinkles actually adds to that taste. So give that a try if you want to, because I think it's really good. But I mean, guys, this was so much fun. It's so spooky. It's like really dark out there, and like when people bonfire and you see like the smoke going in the air, it looks like people are conjuring. I don't know. I love Halloween. I love spooky season. You guys know that that's my favorite. And it's like really dark, so I'm going to take pictures outside right now. And this is from Hot Topic, if you were wondering, and I just paired it with the leather skirt. And then these splatter stamps are from ColourPop. It's from the Hocus Pocus collection a few years back. And then I have my little Binks bracelet on. That's cool, right? And then, yeah, her necklace and everything like that. So this was so much fun. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know down below, because I would love to do that for you guys. This was so much fun, like I said. And how do you guys like my little setup right here? Oh, that's kind of weird. The candle went out. Spooky. But that is all for today's video. If you guys love this video, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. Leave a comment down below if you guys are going to be trying these, and if you do, please let me know if you will and which one you will be trying, or if you want to try all of them, go ahead and do that. Tag me in photos or tag me on TikTok if you guys recreate these. I want to see your reactions, and I want to see if you guys enjoyed this. So without further ado, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.